What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Nobs, founder of Bhutan Hip Hop Promotion, and today we have our special guest, Kado. Alright? Who is trending, alright? Whose rap is trending now, right now. And yeah, let's wait for him. Yeah, this is a quick question and answer session. We'll be going like for 1 hour. And yeah, I can just drop the question below. I'll be asking maybe like 5 or 6 questions, and yeah, I can drop your questions below. All right. Yo man, Gopal S. Chitri, shout out to you. What's up, people? Alright, let's wait for him. Yeah, I'm adding him, alright? Yo.
Hey, yo, bro.
Yo. So, Mo. So, in this question and answer session, Mo, I'll be asking you like 6 questions. My 6 questions, do you then delay audience to will chance mo question ask me.
Yeah, tup.
So, start big mo.
Yeah, that's kumare.
You keep few words love the bro.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
You can, bro. You can start.
Few words love na me. So how do you feel mo?
Ngayon so mo. Right passion chomba. Passion. Ngay life na lu ngay na passion to rap himo ngay rap ngay passion madi hindi best ngay ngar talent si himo ngay first beatbox be dele b-boy chapchi ni sharna jumatu dele last na ngay rap na ngay talent dus ngay mati himo chuk ngale ngar rap na to dus ngay masi rap na lu to Typically third level to the Italian rap na is ngai si rap tam ni gutri that tam na lu ngalu discriminate be milasher oi ngai stop mabe anbendi lawe namra biru ngata ngai charu ti ngachini chiga bera talent chebe ani juji still kogi di talent change be kajmo kogi di passion change be bera di ta to success ma jo adi class 8 na le nga rap na to ke tin ngai del gas be rap na focus be the ngai interest ani be rap na hard work be ani be that same ani bindi rangi passion gamji chi che passion na to mirra passion na lishmi wa passion na concentrate be games na football na iwa chi football na ra dumbe juzumber ngazumber rap na iwa chi name ko masa rap na ro juice na dubi
Focus be go mo mainly focus mo what you do interest ka biochin gache besubate.
Yeah bro interest mainly interest ka hard work go bro.
So question start bege mo ngachi. So mo chigi journey that na entry be that since journey gade be mo gade be joy tele chigi experience gachi be. Question di
Experience di gachi be la bachin dia life na lu ra nam tum high ran sami level high jodalu life rangi life na lu imina barchicha mi dongoro ko imina don't give a shit ani sulu dia I don't give a shit kara biru shit ya majin I don't ra ya jodalu mi to sami diu khora ngachi level na he machuba ngachi lu ma pap sami try biu ani sulu di ching biru ngagi thagai I don't give a shit niga ati ngai shit ra jinimi ani sulu di mo if you are my level I will diss back chengal diss one watching the life na lu ma pap chami di do so messy bro
bro ani
hai mi to chota do to me then I this much chami di bro alo ana ngal dot diss chami ge message on mo bro ngai diss look chulu machami yo ngai diss kamchi look macha what you not in my level mare nga diss chami ge delu de nga time ra tik ma we nga go to nga rap go to ta nga diss la be go to ti nga time ra tik maybe diss de you are not my level chi ngai look this much I mean ngai lost teacher bekar na chi famous jo bekar na majo bro famous may not be hard work be chechara ati life na da to ngai look disturb chi famous ho chin mi gi gas long da to imuism imegi gas to ko rastar gi ko look disturb ko famous ju in la me na zum chi gi dignity am chi deum bro diwali the ra mehnat be hard work be ra ya zo that's all rangi ra ya zo me bro role ani benwe
That to the trending no do then because longer disturb ni mo bro.
Yeah, bro. Ma ba this game lo nga gani lam mi this game rap na di zazo di mapali this nara chiu mate ma bro. Chimra
Hindi but
you also rap you also one of the best rapper in Bhutan. Chige shi but bro.
mo ngai tau the this baby di mo bro. Ani rangi ani just ending the mijo we sit this baby. Nali disco mo phale disturb mo.
Ani bro ngai lam ni siru this game na lu ga gi si dingalu bro. This game na lu ho gi nga gi si hirami.
Ani
ngalu supporter is hui set this chap chila wachin chigi ngai supporter gi mi to nga gi la chigi ngai supporter gi mi to nga gi charai supporter gi mi to ga chigi but bro ani tibdalu ani mi but bro no win the lose
No win.
it's not a battle this game bro it's not a battle it's a this game a battle we watching the ga gi to judge ki to there's no judge in this game so rangi kamchi set this bitan subam chitan ne rahi bro
bro. So let's move on to the next question mo bro.
okay bro
Mo chegi mo piece of advice mo rising stars disugi denle mo sharp rappers ki denle gati piece of advice.
Rising star is to get the I'm to a new rapper now that rap can be the to now that to rap thin be the halam as no the other studio and a thin media na thin be 7 monthly month 7 month na I am to fame come by 7 month na 7 month na am to fame come by basic chigi hard work go ching awala have the basic ching hard work ke interest ke ching awala have the basic living awale habbe awale dabbe that to just I just have a fame only thing is I just have a fame chulwe chudu bi ngalo chudu bi garulu chudu bi just interest ke ngali habbe besu chingi just bro chikoshin gas diga bro nga serious
Rising star disugi denle mo a piece of advice chinna la be bro.
okay advice seru dachilab du zumbere rangi chigi passion diga chube rap da to rap na ro jogi mu bro achigi rap gowa chindi mu rap gowa chindi rap na ra to ke rap gowa chi rap na to ke focus on one thing chi rap ngai bemis ne me si mano ngai ngai start with the mi su three lab ho gi rapper chi ngai start with the gai lijum mejo if the just interest ke anyway rangi rugi lami sulu dem majim rangi bedira jo wachi chigi besu kage besu picham chime chipicha mahabarai picha lijum mahab chigi besu picha ya
One year me interest ke group me they'll stay focused mo chigi advice di
hard work
yeah so tele next question di mo
bro
chegi message mo deliver bego gachi che fans da mo ani page gi followers tisulu
okay ngai fan isulu de ngalu mo support ngai fan ya me change ngai fan me change ngai supporter that's in ngalu support bebe ngam chi sin chi nga gamchira majuru Bhutan na the white icing Bhutan white icing thank you mo the haters say nga Gandhi ji me I can't love you back I hate you too that's all
so mo let's move on to the next question mo chigi mo point of view nale mo so do you think mo chigi earn besu ga rap bebe like gazum state do that
datu di bro andi datu andi bedi sube just from datu jidigia gachuma ani jin gachuma advertisement ge ani jin be andi besube dele chidi lockdown gi chamcha an be mas be just gatu gutela fa ani be gachuma show is be dolo an besube ani be divida I will man I will soon I will I try I will try I will try.
Any question of Jandi mo people gila meba mo music na jo musician be watching you cannot earn labe mo anzum
That's
mindset
wrong,
anzum
man. Yeah, that's wrong.
yeah, that's wrong.
No? That's wrong. Music nale unbemislam. That's wrong. Che chara yeba bi no watching drone. Che stage na lu emna. Che kara biru da to kara stage na lu rap che thema show labdalu. Che tem gawe majo. Just follow dairy gamji top. Money gamji top. तिरु gamji top lab gachive. Is talent. Che amchi rap cha midi thap thope chamcha member. Is your talent. You have to. That's what go bate. What go che talent na lu che kara what go. Gachimo so changailam gachimo so charai terin nalu charagi wotji to ummate ngaidi gamchira mesuru de ngar charu sulillam sube ngagi devita ngalu thapto be ummat ngaidi I will gam top sidi thapta salam gachi wachni ngai turugi dilu be meslam me ngaturugi dilu ra be bas ngai tele ni ngare woto yani bindigi future ngagi mo na bro ngai gamchi future ngagi an besu bachin de the new generation new star is to apda amagi ta khungi apda amagi nga an beso thomachi oi rap thin be amchi an beso thome me la be khoragi alu support be umma da to support alu support mami mi de gachi moso an be misu bo de rap bisugi an be ni try be an beso watching the support de naturally thyo
yeah because last night the money matters member the mo much living it
money matters they main di lalu gila me nga rap passion gi dilu thembi nga lu fame mingo la me that's joke man ni gago no mar chi fame gi dilu thembi ngai shi chi ats mingtam stopbe mapale na chu bi chi mingtam di chi mangor thyo naturally man ngai hem nga rap te mingtam gi dilu te mingtam natural thyo de bedalu mingtam gi dilu them me se malap pas mingtam chi real mo rap on bi watching rap thin be earn because first from mingo fame go chi fame you watch jellecham you can earn and like first is fame
tele so next question di mo so chigi album gi planning gadebi album release peni album kachi da to work bedo
work album di ngai release be watch bestu just ngarona ani form ten be album release be masu album jobor be release jobor through it will take time the rap di jindi ngai piece na lu ani gato kutub be nga ani kain master anal pa ani bebe ngai ani tugunu e mimos tebe dalu ani just to entertain my fans ngalu gandigi just to wanna hurt ngalu mam mingo no mewat ngai rap I mindi I record ngai mobile na record bebe ngai lo kan tambi lo entertain baby just to entertain you all ani baby
so mo chigi ani rap chi deva so people hated you a lot more ani rap gi bebda so
yeah
comfortable gus ani lo lab dadi
oh yeah bro yeah I'm comfortable
yeah so mo ani chi rap release be mo so that way YouTube na chho chi no me mo gagi upload be gan di mashi but it's still on YouTube yeah and the pak sonam gi capture be me but achu pak sonam gi comment be no remove this but it is still there no so aninal hatred mam theme so what did you learn from that
learn from that learn because we to watch learn the analogy learn the gatini bro learn the gani mabe just ngai ngai sing ngai zo be ngai rap anjum thine myo debedolu hima ngai rap hima chami ani rap just ani rap ngai gai donga thong na bachindi just only busi sung achara charu istonga to watin be diungena an time na chamsti busi donga chamsti bumi chu donga thera metin ngai ani rap di debeda mistake ngara over hype jo nga yes ngara over hype jo nga yes no te kumino that time na ngalu dislike be mi di gara adult kungi di lyrics lisum ngin be mi bom su gi lyrics ang me ga menete yani mi bom su ngalu hit still then bumi su biro ngara tanyam is level ngara tanyam ani danda ngara ki fan isu gidi still gano okay thank you lesson din lesson learn mo stress na is ni se wachindi police ki ngalu ani beni bedalo police ki ngalu chedelo mema police ki ngachamchi member okay ngachamchi byochindi to be even young fresh kara chedelo young fresh kara ngai friend ngai jole be tam ngai charis pe tam behind the bars cinemino ali nana alpha ke lambe kachi benaro masu de okay all settled now same guy settled jo gaya
So but anyhow more rhyme the dope day bro but some words more yeah kung disugi maga mo but gachi biru mo haters di thion si mapalar mo bro
bro haters bro even Mr. Binle haters me de bro galu mati yeah bro kudiro garol whole garol joke be me kholo haters me de bro कोई वीडियो fa YouTube na chu da khole haters me de
so last question nemo ngabisa tele ani last question la with the audience disulu chance dinge mo so audience disu you can start commenting your questions below mo so mo last question di many people are dissing you mo what's your point of view mo what's your point of view I've seen mo many ki disbelief
those disbe me ngalo ima disbe gawas disbe hinol gamchi disbe nga ani na hard jones mano bro nga hingi team go mesi kasi ngalu discuss be mo ngalu fame indigi disbe me wa chengalu thare disbe odalo ngam ya no me sem chenga analu mind na umme bro mind na umme ibida thinking ngalu disbe be I will diss you back but top be this my bro this before now ngachi young generation young rappers now ngachi before we are toge karachiga dome atuge chi ngaro fans la ani bilabi gasto nana set is maju sense I mean why ngai rap jix theme me maju sense studio no record mame bro first rap ra amchi dami taji very gar how go be first rap ra amchi hard work bebe studio no record mame gachi tur thap be chi rap thap ki din tur nani amchi hard work be rap cheeks be dami taji studio no thema there butan white jo
yeah
dele chiki disc kungi disc di bro ngalu me ngalu kani bebe
but many the any time but gamo ga famous simo
simple thing di I don't give a shit who diss me
yeah. Many the any ume but the fame gagi high mo they just aim them mo did be mo so they just want attention mo
yeah bro
mam gi the attention gi denle ani bembate so the viewers this mo question you can comment below the questions all right so mo bro viewers this question drop be mo I read baby you just have to answer
okay Gazumbiru
yeah let's wait a bit more dirty rap gi anilo bro dirty rap di gachimo achume I know the name lal
what bro
ani dirty rap de mena chi ani min gachi lo se
that's mingrami ani rap mingrami ga tamsami ani rap na just na this lucham chingaro charu kungi dongo smile bani ki delu tamsami ani rap himdalu gar gaumba de rus gaumba de and just
for enjoyment
yeah enjoyment ki delu thank you
so viewers comment below your questions so bro last time mo punchilina chenga chimo you were writing something mo ngai question ni man the personal be mo which rap you were writing
la bro
Machi funsiling na chimena ani gang chi rap chi di de ani gan di rap na.
Asko me
Machi
ngai rap di mo bro da dus jung sang rap dus jung ichkala rap jang ani paper isu jang bidile katikuti anyo ngai ado dimag na machu le katikuti jang bidile rap ra ye anyo sibu rap
oh
di
that time mo
corruption di
chigi book ya forgot be. You remember? PS hall na book chiri je ngachi halfway na if the chi chirtan mena.
oh look limo ji short minded is bro nana mapule ani
So ana question comment below mo.
okay
Kado, are you dropping your corruption rap lo question?
corruption rap di man nam drop your mabunga corruption rap di I will record and drop man corruption di Bruce corruption jamchi money corruption Bhutan na mindu but corruption can surely say that no kasi wachindi it's not for me it's all for you na kadi jail na turu chuchu I don't give a shit mo power corruption ko le rap thana thini and you sure man power corruption money corruption mindu but ma Roma ani kachlo rogi ma India police sumbe turu zam mindu but Bhutan na police sugi but na kachimu mi ra apa dasuji butti bewatindi apa dasu
Oh,
buchi
ani
do
partially
chinta
ti bini do ba de bro.
oh
Difference
yeah
bini do ba de. Yeah.
antam ni try bro ngaya
Uh,
apa dasu buchi do ko gamchi tenge baby dono sung wa even one day ki bandar saote and same tamashi nyam chungi do chin he will be timsera ten bedele di 1 year 2 year dam down
yeah bro. Andi rap bere be goes chigi. Truth mo.
that's truth man.
Kado bag bag kale lo.
that's alien
Oh.
alien
Pushful lo. So guys, comment be me questions.
I'll say
I'll say. Wait to mata do questions.
question 아니 탑 토비스 때 꼬샤 bro 아니 just
Alright.
책이
Alright, ngata be do. So guys, question comment be coba mo. So mo, bro, let's go till mo, like 10:30.
okay bro gam치 bertu bro
Acho, who is rap gap? Jimmy Tenzin.
the rap gaps la bro the I don't know that this matters on fan man chi mo you watching the chigi power mo don't rap gap in la watching chigi the ko rap gap ni rosusu ki ma susu ki sangi watch rap gap in la watching ko rap gap ni susu chigi on your own man jerry rap gap in la watching ko rap gap ni it's better on your man chi ga rap gap is no me ani rap gap ni but chara delu is not Bhutan ki delu member
Yeah.
the Eminem rap god to the lalugi except maybe but the rappers lalugi rap god lalugi except maybe but I'm very bro I think actually Eminem ki got followers when the is rap god la ngachi except for rap god ngachi delu rap god they will
Depend member te person to person no. Gara gimiga same thing giga. So so question dumo. If you get chance to collab with international rap artists, who would you choose?
international love the international guy me I just divine kung I could just international the memo but I will choose divine
All right. So who's your favorite rapper from Bhutan?
Myself.
Mm-hmm. That's all. How many girlfriend do you have, Lord, bro?
Girlfriend, oh, chira the girlfriend come to chikam to James Bond in ngamente. Yeah, bro. Bro.
Uh-huh. Stupid question di mo. Drop ma veda guys mo. So, how did you get interested in rap, Acholo?
Interest the gadi between the interest the mapadi, umbadi, ngali spy beaming or achieving, but first rap thing I proved it in Garola.
Uh-huh.
Look, then I'll start maminal war. I heard first rap from Chile.
Mm-hmm.
Coding in, na actually inspired being at the Dozolam Koi rap goes to way.
Mm-hmm.
Koi rap, Katara, Koi inspired baby, the Nai Ben Gotri, Nai Bedo Koi Koi, the Nai Yiptical and Nab being good to look for inspired being Ale, and never interest gain Ben Gotri.
Mm-hmm. Uh, so, what type of rap you like? This game or so on? Lo?
Rap thing I this game jump ngai gache be ngai rap gazume ngai garaga rap me overall ngai garaga.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, guys, question drop be may continue. So, Ellen Gilabdimo, Ellen Brogi, talk about the underground scene of Bhutan hip hop.
Yeah,
View
I don't know
Gilab.
that.
You don't know.
I don't know. Underground rappers love the underground rappers ini isi love the new but ngai thora moto underground rapper bukan.
Mm-hmm. So, guys, question drop be more, or you can. How many rap you composed till now, Acho? And please accept my friend request though. And where your new rap gonna release?
Rap di garla bercingai rap di ngai na 50 plus di ngai kam me ngai rap compose just it will take time to be released.
Mm-hmm.
That's into the halami the Tiffin Rukos ngai accept bege namge zen gemo and
Yeah.
na
So, who's your favorite international rapper?
what's it international rap okay for me Tupac
Tupac. Tupac, only.
Tupac international rapper but ngai mom listen galu biona Tupac lu bion the ice cube lu bion when you said as a play India le about divine enemy way
All right.
mom hema the interest ngai email di the divine lu jodo just he always tell truth you know koi wording issue tawa chikaro misery sugi delu truth dira la bion to koi
Mm-hmm.
that's
Do
why I
you love
really like
Weekend Law?
yeah within Gasmawa Bagani one of the dopest rapper
Mm-hmm. What is about the platform important how we rappers? And Lomo, Kado, one important thing you have to share to the crowd is about the platform we got and how the new rappers gonna get the platform.
okay
Animo.
Andy ngai
Oh, love me, bro.
what important things you have to say you go
And love me, chi di mo platform gadi with top chila be mo kong disu new rappers ki den lumo gadi with top sub la be.
okay platform mumba de thopnero goma but the platform thobra ngai de wa mala mal jogo mem bro platform that mumba era me just platform atire thopchi atire gatile thoblo I get from few piugi ngalu support be piugi
Mhm.
piugi free recording sisulation ji. I'm really glad he supported me.
Mhm.
New rap platform di mana.
Oh,
Ngasak di Joe ni batyo mare.
yeah. So that to demo
Ngasak
rangi zogo me platform mo rangi opportunity take bego be.
if you have talent mo sagin be talent be platform paragi chu be.
Oh, and yeah. So guys, comment below more questions. Acho Kado, who is your main supporter lo? Kille Gelsen.
Okay, who is my main supporter? Supporter la bro de. The supporter the lesser do the main supporter say minimum supporter the lesser do I. Le supporter less to maranga.
Oh, Gara supporter
Gar
with mo. Oh,
JD Donna Garing support baby. Few Garing support.
yeah. So Acho, I heard that you copied mo one rap from Vitin. Is it true lo?
Yeah. That's true. That's true.
That is bro.
Nigisung. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Nigisung nalu, ani, koi biting ki freestyle baby bate.
Oh,
Churu, ani base la begas. But you know, that flow is mine, lyrics mine. Just I copied only just first key gachumo. First few lines,
and
you know. I just copied the idea from him. I just
mm-hmm.
copied the idea. Just idea some to copy bang aragi time dele. Ay dele ka
Mm-hmm.
churu ngagi late night chika chat bi labe. Kachumo.
Mm-hmm.
Ani hiba chese do mo bro bitin gachumo. Freestyle ti baby hiba de. Wait.
Amchi mata bro ani freestyle disu di mata Vitin gi.
Koi an copy mem zunji me. I just took an
Just
idea.
idea. Uh-huh. Similar
Yeah,
jojo mo
idea.
mamani juni rangi rap
Churu
dimo
ngagi.
rangi copy beru terga similar juni.
Yeah. But that I will hammer love dong I. That's I think I copied man. I copied an idea. But flow low gachulong I
Yeah.
gachi copy the nimi just I took an idea from him.
Oh, all right. So, um, so mo chegi a question just meaningfully ochin chegi ra answer beri.
October Princess Jenny ngagi rap nam start belo 2016 na beno.
Mm-hmm.
And
So guys,
no
comment
18
question.
Doji I'm 18.
All right.
Recently 18 doing 18 years I'm young man nigga.
Yeah.
Class 11 but I no I will drop it man. I'm gonna drop nga rap na ma work be go nga study to ye nga let's say disturb me.
So you're planning to drop, yeah?
Yeah bro.
Mm.
Yeah bro, mirror type lang di wana michi ya mirror type kadin su sa hanga nigi misi nigi tiche ngas
Mm-hmm.
diga ta arage chiri just yeah beatbox ngai first hip hop scene ngai beatbox li start be kezang ngai first start beatbox li be bro.
Mo ani khatkan mi yemena ani clear ma jo ba mi mam disu mo alchage the chegati with this way this game joy ani tidese.
Nachni di just to agi delu that time the hake log jo and just me should entertain when you delu baby
So that was
just
all planned mo. Ching this we plan baby.
plan ra be
Uh, so gagi idea de andi.
anding agi idea di
Mm-hmm. There's a people mo. People were surprised jonu kong disu mo. So viewers this way mamu de mo ani gang engage yasi mo. Everyone was shocked mo.
yeah
mo any other talent you have other than rap lo chi ani interest lab lo mo what do you have lo beside rapping
Now, I don't rap na rin, rap na. Na so
hmm?
interest for me. Na games at the interest rap na rin. I just focus on one. I focus chill
Mm-hmm.
jam me. Best better me na mo bro. Focus mom to
Oh,
jima chindi society na me improve me jima gara tik tik chibi juma nam me yar gitu mi tan. Chilura bejo.
where are you now lo acho
I'm penciling bro.
uh,
I'm penciling mar desin doji. Penciling na.
so guys question drop beme all right bro kado can you sing new rap song lo
Rap song. Rap new the lesser it. Nibe bro. Beat means beat.
oh just mo that the question answer ki den le so if you want mo kado che begun no che bezo to ma bezo to mo so on you
You know bro. Yeah. Okay. Sumare. Ngai da lyrics ta go but him ke. Latest
uh-huh.
okay. Okay. Simchita ki tamdi disu gar lebna damdi dari bimi na chi darra jududi na basidi jani mi na chilu ye goni mi o pamli bi disulu da ngachi sugi geni mi o ewa yu cheda ni gi bana ewa yu battle digi trophy dinga chinga cha cha de yu tip tembe la be we devil chilu tende yu tupak bi sisi di bi look di mi na good yu ra imi la di be me mi la di down be che chara no me be robana zini down be che tuku juni yu me na da ni achi down be che pata juni yu me na da ni achi down be ya down be che pata juni achi down be
Mm-hmm. All right dope
sorry
man yeah uh
I'm
so
fine Sri. How are you
didn't reply mo like ana chigi fan gi ani mo ani comment with mo achu I wished you earlier in your birthday mo in your fan page but achu even didn't reply lo so mo ngai view na
uh,
le di mo chigi followers vast team mo mami so ani ngai di no mi mo you couldn't mo reply be mi subate mo personally but
and
mo ani bate mo bad feel be go gachi mi mo
bed feel bimu bro that love get thank you man
thank you
thank
yeah
you more thank you very much
um Sudeep Magarlo watching from Nepal Lome bro.
thank you Sudip Magar
Um so mo ngai question chi digi me cho
okay bro
freestyle mo chi benega freestyle bro.
yeah freestyle I really like it man I can't freestyle ra bhi rap some
Mindi ani skill di mo rap na di ani ra imbe freestyle
yeah
rangi mo
bro
tel.
freestyle
Uh-huh.
yeah
Ani di mo la mi diga ye bisu be bate mindi ani me bo
yeah
freestyle.
no freestyle ni na
Uh,
him ga freestyle inspired the ma ju jim ba bro
mhm.
chen na ani ba de ga Ravi Ranveer Gasti Singlam se Paji Gasna Ranveer Paji okay Ranveer Paji gi gasmo mi is nalfa jo be koi word lane be koi freestyle be umate anal
Uh-huh.
inspired be anzu bera
Mhm.
ngai charo chinna ndara kholi word lane be ngai ta sa be am rap freestyle be try be daily lagata thok di kha but now thok mi dit da bin di sarra freestyle
Yeah, practice me bate ngai mo. I'm trying mo. Bano job chi mo otra mi mo but practice me mendi.
Sunny Pam thank you
Uh Wait, warning jinde me I'm repeating again la. What about girlfriend lo da?
girlfriend is dengan girlfriend.
Mo, anla de kado bro, your rhyme and flow the overcool dulo mo. How you asgume mitumisin. How you take the
How you
flow
take
by
bro?
listening to the beats.
Yeah.
E koi lab na be ani memo. Che beat nyen be just right baby mo. Dele ani beat na zone lab mes.
Beat ngien be right be ngai.
Mhm.
Beat ngien be right be. Dele beat ta be sha so anna na darut chita. Darut beat to anna. Ikka le ro beat jodira dime de mata ngai na phone gar beat be de. Mata gam to am chingai ani beat gam chi so am chingai flow so omni tempo. Debe da mi so the same go flow. Ngai ra gi so miss gach na ma.
Yeah, watching from India lo me Sira me monastery. Jimmy.
Thank you bro. Thank you. 와 차로 뭐 통말에 나도 디와 록다운이 와 창가들 통로 차 테임 소스 참 투니 해브르 미마르 치지 퉁지미
Mhm.
치지 가라이 때문에 브로모 오케이 신나 통면나 뭐 브로
Yeah, bro. Chi lockdown rap chi ya demo bro.
록다운 랩 디시 랩 디 나타 박박이 아나 폰 날 레고 베비 내가 좀 케 잡비 폰날
Oh.
아 훅디 코이 볼트 보이스 소추 나이 피치 보이스 또 코이 피치 가이 볼
Oh.
뭐가 좋을 것 같아
So, on a request be demo acho I need your mo rap track lo. Will you give lo
오케이
instrumental
오케이
lo me?
야 뚝뚝봐 나기 이미치 딩아 치르죠
Mhm.
나라에 가라 유튜브 날에 비빈지
Mhm. So brogi side na le gachi lab go be mo.
Gunda if you are Gunda try to be Keta by keeping sobriety brother Gunda member ngadi Keta me Gunda me ngadi normal people che gachi bo andume ngaya ani we all are same just fame cheap
But people disugi di mammo judge be me bate tato ki society disugi mo. Judge be me bate gade be mo. E rap na mo just mo gachi guchi lab mo but ngachi life na gade be animita e bate just mo look be rap na dele judge be me bate. That's wrong lab ni ngai from my side di.
yeah, bro, yeah that's right
Lockdown gade be jo de lo bro.
lockdown the same che chinga dibe andume jodo gara
So fa full screen na di dato free me amchi.
no bro 까치디 톱치사 3 hours 지가 시행이기 but 나도 아니로 보마죠 bro
So mo bro, so I think mo en bego onda mo. So chigi from your side mo gachi lab go be so lab jinda bro. To all the people mo, to all the viewers.
ngai labupsiro dachi labchimo ro bimi ladu imina garai appreciate be ima khatani dichi khataro matro purami chi khajamchi nanjam pise 막 ngalu khatama chare sosu dilam ngalu khatama khajamchi nani arungi was che khagazum daro but you know try to be more roi bimi ladu gazum diro appreciate beni ani be charochi rap thinela wachi mapo macho why she give the direct bill up she animitube just change base direct love but wrote down the mazo down gachum ro passion chigi del hook lu so me wate and he just no inspire beni try be gal listen me day lockdown nalu de kar de kapchu kimnar de peace out. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Kado bro, thank you so much mo for coming live
Yeah.
with me mo. So, yang ngai katul lami di mo ani rei mo rolu discourage ma be mo appreciate be mo appreciate ya be ma soch mo khatum be de da mo amchi rei but discourage di ma be mo khong ya have to try
Yeah.
be de mo. Yeah bro. That's all mo. Stay home, stay safe. Shout out to Kado, shout out to Bhutan Hip Hop Promotion. Thank you for being there with us mo. All right bro. Yeah.
Thank
Good night.
you for
Yeah.
inviting me.
All right
Yeah,
bro.
thank
Peace
you.
out.